working 2 jobs, fresh off work, feeling worn and tired. Stressing because her boss told her if she make one more mistake, she could get fired. Jumped in the car to pick baby up. He real tired, didn't want to shake him up just to avoid the waking up. Now she picking hubby up to eat. He suggested they pick something up. You tired, baby? You ain't got to fry that chicken. I'm hustling, baby. You mad tired, so I'm buying. On the way, they had visions of bed and pillow. Maybe some soft music as long as it's mellow. Maybe some sweet dreams of them trying to get out to get together. Got to the window to place the order, thinking of things they could eat to fit in their budget, so they just order fries and water. But before she could speak, she felt something cold on her cheek. She was so still that the heat paused the speech. He said, "Don't move but speak, or I'm gonna let you see what this Mac do." Her eye released the chocolate tears streaming down her cheek. Her lip was quivering as her body started to shiver. Visions dominated her thoughts instantly of her infant son. Will she make it out of here to see him grown? Can't understand why she's being done so wrong. Why would these cats pull this dumb shit in front of my son? Or should I make that courageous dash and run? She was so ambitious, but the adrenaline lowered and she decided to do what they said do and stay calm. She continued to weep and grab hubby arm. Hubby thinking, I gotta do something now that my son is in the back. He said, I'm the man hands down. He said with a frown, get that gun away from my wife's crown because it's about to go down. He was so bold, but he was told to stay in his place as the butt of the gun collided with his face. Stacy feared that she'd meet her fate, so she just reached down for that Dooney and Burt and gave them all the rent money that she had in her purse. For those kids, it was only fun, just to make away with a few dollars. But can they be forgiven for the damage they done? But Stacy's personality is just so nice. But she's tired of this bad luck life, and I'ma give up. And oh well, everybody wants me to fail. I bail stuck in hell in this mental jail. But just when she was about to call on Jesus, God had pulled those boys over for speeding. She couldn't believe it. That's what happens when you have the Creator to believe in.